You are most welcome to VLab, where science is fun and practical. Click on the Start button to begin. Type in your name and click on the Login button. My name is Issy. How do you do?
If you want to have fun while learning, click on the Lessons button and then tap on Issy.
Hello, I am Kojo. Meet me at the lab.
To have fun with experiments in the lab, click on the Experiments button and tap on Kojo.
Hello, I am Afi. I can't wait to have fun with you.
For exciting activities, click on the Activity button and tap on Afi.
Hello, I am Musa. Meet me at the Game Center.
To play games, click on the Games button and tap on Musa.
Oh, are you leaving us? I hope you had a nice time.
And to exit the VLab, click on the Exit button and then tap on Na.